It's great to see everybody. Having gone now to all of our events, OMS is my favorite because while I am a total techno geek enthusiast and I love to talk, durable policy progress is fundamentally about people. And the safe construction and operation and maintenance of these magnificent machines is really the fundamental strength of this whole industry.
This event tends to have more operationally oriented people, which is more of our target segment of people that we want to talk to about our products and services.
The benefits of bringing together the clean energy workforce is the ability to collaborate on all of the fronts that are presented, especially here at this show. The safety, operations, and maintenance all together here in one forum allows us to concentrate the conversation.
We saw a need to have a more intimate setting with our customers so we could showcase what we had. We'll be back next year because this show for us gives us the most one-on-one accessibility with the customers.